BJP leader Balwinder Gill, a general secretary of the party's SC wing, was shot at and injured at Jandaila Guru, around 25 km from Amritsar, police said on Monday. An unidentified attacker who had his face covered entered Mr. Gill's residence on Sunday night and fired at the BJP leader at point blank range. Superintendent of Police Jugraj Singh said Mr. Gill suffered a gunshot to his jaw and was immediately taken to a nearby hospital. As his condition worsened, he was later shifted to a private hospital in Amritsar. Mr. Singh added, the SP said the attacker also had an accomplice who was waiting outside the BJP leader's residence. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and demanded an up-to-date caste census. In his letter, Mr. Kharge said, in the absence of an updated caste census, a reliable database is so very essential for a meaningful social justice and empowerment programs, particularly for OBCs, is incomplete. I am writing to you to once again place on record the demand of the Indian National Congress for an up-to-date caste census. My colleagues and I have raised this demand earlier in both houses of parliament on a number of occasions, as have leaders of many opposition parties. The Congress chief said in his letter, you are aware that for the first time the UPA government conducted a socio-economic and caste census during 2011-12 covering some 25 crore households for a number of reasons. However, the caste data could not get published even though Congress and other MPs demanded its release after your government came to power in May 2014. In the absence of an updated caste census, I am afraid a reliable database so very essential for a meaningful social justice and empowerment programs, particularly for OBCs, is incomplete. This census is the responsibility of the union government, Mr. Kharge said. In the letter dated April 16, he also pointed out that the regular decennial census was to be carried out in 2021, but it has not yet been conducted. We demand that it be done immediately and that a comprehensive caste census be made its integral part, Mr. Kharge said. I built Karnataka BJP but got ill-treated. Senior leaders like me are not treated well by the BJP in Karnataka. I always won with a record margin for the BJP and performed well at every post. But I can't hurt my self-respect anymore, Shetar said after joining Congress. Denied a ticket from the Bharatiya Janata Party for the upcoming assembly elections, former Karnataka Chief Minister Jagdish Shetar joined Congress on Monday. In the presence of party President Mallikarjun Kharge, KPCC President DK Shivkumar and Congress leader Randeep Singh Surjewala, Siddaramaiah at the party office in Bengaluru. 11 people died of a heat stroke and several people were injured in Navi Mumbai's Kharghar on Sunday during a state government's event to present the Maharashtra Bhushan Award, for which Union Home Minister Amit Shah was also present. The award ceremony facilitating social activist Appa Saheb Dharmadhikari started 11:30 am and went on till 1 pm. The crowd had started gathering much before the time of the event. The ground was packed and there was no shade over the seating arrangements. Giving information about the incident in a tweet Sunday night, Chief Minister Eknath Shinde said what happened was unfortunate and announced an aid of ₹5 lakh for families of all those who died. India recorded 9,011 new coronavirus infections while the active cases increased to 60,313. According to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Monday, the death toll increased to 5,31,141 with 27 deaths, while the 6 deaths were reported from Gujarat, 4 were from Uttar Pradesh, 3 each from Delhi and Rajasthan, 2 from Maharashtra, 1 each from Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and 3 reconciled by Kerala, the data updated at 8 am stated.